Today we're going to be making grill scrapers. These can be used on either charcoal or gas grills. It is an incredibly easy project for the CNC. Let's jump right into it. On this project I'm going to be using 3/4 inch white ash. I'm going to be fixing it down to the CNC bed with double-sided tape as well as screws, which I do on the majority of my projects, and that should be plenty enough to actually hold these. Today we're going to be making 12 of these, and we're going to be using a V-bit to cut out the text, and then we're going to be using a 1/4 inch down shear bit in order to cut out the profiles. Alright, so first we are going to be cutting out all of our lettering that we've placed on this file, and we're going to be using this Groovy Jenny for that. So if you haven't ever heard of this, don't worry, it is brand new to the market. And the whole deal about this is it is a down-cut V-bit and is meant to be used on signs when you're using Oramask or some type of a masking film so that you can spray paint those areas so that the masking doesn't lift up with typical V-bits. This actually pushes down, so it keeps your lines nice and crisp as you're cutting. I had to keep checking on it because the bit was so quiet that I didn't actually think it was cutting anything, but it turned out perfect. The letters are all nice and crisp without any kind of leftover junk or chips left in the letters, and I would say that's a huge success just as a V-bit itself. It is purpose-driven for Oramask and for masking films and stuff like that, so I'll put it through its paces in another video coming up probably in about a month. We'll see. I don't know. Let's cut these things out. Well, it looks like I have my depth off just a little bit. It's kind of annoying, but I'm going to be rounding over the top and the bottom anyways, so that'll all just go away. This is a very easy $20 product that you can put in stores. You can sell at state fairs, farmers markets, that kind of stuff, and it sells pretty quickly because people see the Kiss My Ash and they're like, ha ha ha. They realize it's only 20 bucks. It's a very easy impulse buy. If you want these vectors, they are for sale on my Etsy. And the cool part is if you already have the vectors for my bottle openers, you can just leave this blank and put one of those bottle opener inserts right in here, so it will be a grill scraper that also acts as a bottle opener. Off camera, I actually cut a 45-degree on the miter saw, and this is just headed into the text side. And what that's going to do is just leave a little bit of material right here where you can actually scrape on the grill and get those nice burn marks into it, so it'll actually be useful. Of course, you want this to be a food-grade finish because it is going to be touching places that food is going to be touching, so I am going to be using mineral oil. You can use any kind of cutting board oil or anything food-safe that you have laying around. For me, I'm just using mineral oil. So there you go. This is a super simple project that anybody with a CNC can accomplish. I hope this was useful for some of y'all out there. My vectors are for sale on my Etsy. That will be linked down below. Thank y'all very much for taking the time to watch this video. Have a good one. Bye.